Wanna learn how to cancel your Coursera apps account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll be using Chrome. You can use the suitable browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search or type web address, enter here coursera.org. This will take you to the official website of the Coursera app. You can see that I am already logged in. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now, for a better resolution and exposure, you can keep it into a desktop side. For that, tap on the 3-dotted straight line in the top right corner. Scroll down, tap on desktop side below add to home screen. You can see that it's entered desktop side right now. After this, you can tap on this 3 straight parallel lines in the top left corner. Zoom in and then tap on your account below your profile icon. Tap on settings below profile. Onto this account section, at the bottom you can see an option of delete account. You can see that you need to cancel any active subscription before you delete your account. So you can make sure to go and cancel all of the subscriptions that you had made before. And if you do not know how to cancel a subscription, you can watch our video related to cancel subscription of Coursera by going onto our channel. And if you have done it, tap on delete account below. You can see that if you're sure, first of all, you need to agree to all of the conditions and circumstances given for you over here, that you will no longer be able to log into your account and personally identifiable information on your profile will be removed and any certificates earned will be deleted. And regarding certificate, you can even download your certificate. You can see that download your certificate through PDF, and after doing that all, you need to tap on the square in front of that circumstances one by one just like this, and then enter your password connected to this account. When you're done keeping your password, tap on delete account. So you can see that that's a goodbye from Coursera and you have successfully deleted your account, and you should receive a confirmation email shortly. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.